call for an ultrasound. I haven't really talked yet this morning, so sorry if I sound like sleepy. But that is what I'm doing. I have a lot of things I need to get done. And I'm exactly 37 weeks pregnant. So here's my belly if you want to see what it looks like. And I told you guys on Instagram I stopped sharing like a lot of things about pregnancy because people were saying so many horror stories about everything, and it just was like stressing me out. And everyone's like, stop listening to those horror stories and ignore them, everything's gonna go great. And it just made me feel a lot better. But I don't know, like I feel bad obviously if someone has a really bad experience, but at the same time, like it's the last thing I want to hear about right before I'm about to give birth for the first time. It just like freaks me out even more. So yeah, I don't know, that's been kind of like stressing me out when people share those, but I'm trying to not think about them and pay attention right now, at least, because I just don't want things like, I don't want to worry about things I shouldn't be worrying about when I'm the kind of person who's always worried anyways, you know what I mean? So I also said on Instagram, I'm super nasally right now. I'm so tired of coughing. And I don't know if it's like in my head, because sometimes I hear myself back and I think it sounds nasally, and then sometimes I don't, but it sounds really nasally in my head and it's very annoying. So what I haven't shared or told you guys is, I think this is the third one. Yeah, it's only the third week, but basically I've been doing an ultrasound and a non-stress test a week for the last couple of weeks because his fluid level is a little bit low. It's like on the verge of being low. So they're not saying that it's low, but they're saying like if it was any lower, then it would be in the range of low. So they just want to watch it and make sure there's not like a drop suddenly in his fluid level. And his non-stress tests have been really, really good. Like every time I have one, they tell me it's exactly what it's supposed to look like, and they wish that everybody's looked like his. So he's doing good in there, but they just want to make sure that everything is staying really, really good. And sciatica has gotten a little bit better. I mean, it still hurts. What's so weird about sciatica pain is like the more I'm on my feet, that obviously like is how it gets worse, and like I feel it so much more at the end of the day if I've been on my feet all day. But it hurts the most if I'm flipping over in bed, and it seems so random, like something like that would be so painful. But that hurts a lot, but it's not as bad as it was, and it was like pretty bad for about 3 weeks, so I'm really glad it's starting to let up. Oh my gosh, how many of you get so terrified if something like this is about to fall on the floor? I totally thought that was gonna shatter everywhere. But basically right now I'm looking for things I can't find. I'm gonna finish putting on my face and do my hair. I need to film a small portion for another video. Then I'm going to the ultrasound. Then I want to go to Trader Joe's. I have a lot I need to do on the computer though. I have like a few videos I need to edit, or at least like start working on, or almost finish. And then we did get a belly cast too. I'm going to show that to you. We haven't done it yet. We might do it sometime tonight. So yeah, I have a full day ahead of me, but I'm going to play a little music for you, put on the rest of my face, and then I'll check in with you in a little bit.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy.
So I just filmed for 2 different videos in like 40 minutes. I'm real proud of myself. I didn't think I was going to get that done. And I have to leave in a couple minutes. I'm going to get everything together. But I'm also going to have a snack because I have pancakes for breakfast. I'm going to show them to you actually. And I bought these at the grocery store. The brand is DE Waffle Bakers, and these are packs of 3 blueberry pancakes in each pack. I think there's like 6 in the whole bag. I think there's only 1 in there. Yeah, there's 1 left, but you pop these in the microwave, and I really like them because they don't taste like a microwaved product. It tastes like you made these on your stove, so those are really good. if you need a fast breakfast in a pinch. In 5 minutes, I need to be out the door, so I'm going to eat this really fast. It's 2 different kinds of pasta salad. Don't know if I will have time for this, so if not, I'm just gonna throw it in my bag. Sip of this.
The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat.
Hello. There's Chad waiting for me. Hi.
Let's go.
I'm filming a video.
Okay.
So it is a few hours later now. I've been editing on my computer for a few hours, and after our appointment we went to lunch, which was nice because we never have lunch together on work days. I got stuck between our cars. I parked too close. Can my belly fit out? I had a cheeseburger and french fries, which I've been craving for a few days, so got that out of the way. And honestly, our appointment didn't go that great. His fluid levels are lower, and they're like on the verge of being low. They're really close to being in the low range, and I don't know for sure, but I feel like they'll definitely induce me. So we said to her like, oh, so he's coming sooner than later, and she nodded her head yes, but she wouldn't say yes. I don't know, it's just frustrating because they don't tell you that much, because what they do tell you, they have to make sure they know for sure. So it always seems like so many things are just up in the air. But they did schedule another one, a fluid check. It's an ultrasound, but like the only thing they do is check fluid for what I'm doing. So it's not really like a full ultrasound. They scheduled another one for a week from now, but I also have a regular doctor's appointment there and a non-stress test in a couple days. And his non-stress tests have always been really, really good. So if it's not good, I feel like they will tell me that day, like, okay, it's time to induce you, head to the hospital, or at least in the next few days. But I mean, it definitely sounds like, from what they're saying, they're going to want to induce me at 38 weeks, which is literally in 1 week. From when I'm filming this, I don't even know when I'm gonna post this, because I just don't want people saying scary things or saying like I shouldn't be induced, because I trust my doctor. Like, I feel like that's the only option that I have. And I also feel like they want to take him out. I keep restarting this sentence because I don't even know how to say it, but I just feel like they'd rather take him out while he's okay and happy than wait for him to be in distress type thing. So we don't really know what to think. I guess in a few days we'll find out if we're being induced that day or in a few days from then, but I'm really, really thinking that I'm going to be induced in a week or less from how that appointment went. So I heard the garage door open. Chad's here. I'm going to ask him if he wants to go to Trader Joe's. I don't know if I can get him to, but I want to like get out of the house a little bit. So
no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. Like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
We're home now. There is tons of stuff and I need to put it away, so I'm going to run through it pretty quickly. Some frozen stuff in there, a ton of stuff on the counter. This is not a healthy haul by any means. We don't have a Trader Joe's that's that close to us, so we don't go that often. So I don't get a ton of like fresh stuff there. I get things I can't have or like I can't find anywhere else. This pork belly is really, really good from Trader Joe's. This was a sample that they had out and it was amazing. So I picked up one of those mac and cheeses, a pumpkin ravioli. This is a chocolate pudding. It's like a huge thing of chocolate pudding. And then I have a dip here for Chad. Roasted pecan dip and blue cheese, pumpkin cream cheese spread, and then a chicken noodle soup. They have so many fresh soups that look really, really good. And over here, I laid everything out. So many drinks. I love like seeing what they have for their drink options because there's always tons. A bunch of sparkling water. That's pink lemonade, a tangerine juice, a grapefruit juice. This is hibiscus white tea lemonade, I think it is. A cold brew coffee for Chad. This looked good. I've never had it. An almond spiced chai drink. Strawberry smoothie drinks. This strawberry licorice is so good and so addicting. A couple of apples. And this is a 3-in-1 product for Chad. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Watermelon black tea. As soon as I walked in, I saw these cornbread things. It's like a cracker style cornbread. And it seems like everybody on Instagram says this autumn harvest soup is really good. I've never had it, but I did buy 2 of those. Some limes and lemons. I have hot tea almost every single day right now, and I like a ton of lime or lemon in it. And then I really like these fruit bars, apple and strawberry. Everyone's telling me I need tons of snacks, so I did get these granola bars. These ones are the chocolate ones. These are the same but with peanut butter, and then this one is a little bit different, but they're all super similar. This taco mix is only 79 cents, and there's a lot in here. It's spicy. It is so good. I love that. These are for Chad. Some macaroni and cheeses. 3 of these. It's an instant style oatmeal with strawberry and rhubarb. I've never had these honey grams with sea salt and chocolate, but that looked good. And everything seasoning. This is like super popular. We always get one of those. Peanut butter cups. This is some tortilla chips in the shape of fall leaves. And the fall harvest salsa. I didn't even read what the ingredients are in this, but I love salsa, and they have so many good salsas there. 3 different bags of salad. I'm obsessed with a chopped salad of like almost any kind. And they have a ton of options there. String cheese. And here's all the frozen stuff. These are like an ice cream style bar, like a latte bar. These are lime something. I don't even know. It says fruit flows. I don't even know what that means. I'm assuming it's like a popsicle. This brown rice, it comes in like single serving bags, and you put them in the microwave. It's so easy, and it tastes really good. Hash browns. I love hash browns. This looked really good. I love anything Mexican, so I've never had this one. Shepherd's pie, I've never had that one either. A few of these meatballs. I figured we could throw those in the crock pot at some point. And then a bag from Target. I'll show that in a second too. We had some dinner. I've just been working on my computer. Most of you guys know that my fridge is normally like really organized, but it is so full right now. There's nowhere to put anything. That is not looking very great. I keep opening it like, should I eat something just so I can get rid of stuff? Which is ridiculous, obviously, but all the Trader Joe's stuff is put away. Everything is stocked. We have tons of fresh stuff to get through the next few days. Hopefully we can get through it before we're at the hospital and things start going bad. This pudding I had a little bit of from Trader Joe's. That's really good. Not surprised, but yeah, we have an overflow. The cabinets look the same too from all those snacks. So many people commented on my last video. I need a lot of snacks for breastfeeding that you get like really hungry, really hungry and really thirsty fast. And Chad picked up the kitchen. Wasn't expecting that. He's downstairs watching football right now. It's 8:32. So I'm basically finished for the night. We were going to do this belly cast tonight. I guess we'll do it tomorrow or maybe the next day. I know I need to do this sooner than later because he's coming sooner than later. But we're done. Like, it's been a long day. So that's going to be all for this video. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to take a long shower, wash off my makeup, work on videos on my computer, and go to bed early. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Recent videos are down below in the description box. You guys are not going to see me pregnant for much longer, so soak it all in while I still have the bump. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!